My favorite toy is that can make a lot of interesting things. I want a toy. That's where I move.
HoneyComb is a set of playful electronic blocks. Different from traditional STEM toys, HoneyCombKits provides a series of curricula and bring friends and family in. Inside a small block, there's a big world. The green block represents input, the blue block represents logic, and the orange block represents output. Simply by connecting input and output blocks, users can play in various ways. It turns fruits or vegetables into musical instruments, and it helps to make amazing creations. It can develop the ability of children's logic thinking. What's more, only a few steps of connection are needed to bring your Lego toys alive. It's cool to share your awesome work with your friends, isn't it? Creative as HoneyComb is, it's your best STEM toy for K-12 education. Stair Piano and Music Party. Have you ever thought the stairs in your house can be turned into a piano keyboard? How amazing! It will just need some simple steps of connection, and then you can enjoy your wonderful home party. HoneyCombKits help children DIY any game on their own. For some older kids, there's also a Blockly programming platform. Children will obtain more knowledge while playing games. With HoneyCombKits, the whole world becomes a playground. HoneyCombKits cultivate children's imagination, creativity, and hands-on skills. It stimulates their learning passion, and it releases their talent while they enjoy a lot of fun. While your children are enjoying their learning, you can also share their feelings as well. The magnetic snap makes the technology easier for kids. We firmly believe that everyone is a creator. You just don't have the right set of tools yet. Start a magical childhood with HoneyCombKits right now.